Hey, welcome to or welcome back to Auntie's Cakery. This is one of my first Halloween cakes and the video footage is very old, but I love this design. In fact, I think I want to create it someday. I have a cake covered in black fondant. As you can see, I wasn't very good at fondant covering back then. And in my piping bag, I have some purple royal icing, and it is very thick. I have to have it super thick so it can make these long, beautiful strands. These are going to be part of a spiderweb-like design. I'm going to do these long swags all around the cake, and then I'm going to put a center line through all of them as well. And while I do that, you can listen to the spooky music. Oh, that one did not work very well, so try it again. As you know, I don't mind showing my mistakes. I think we all live and learn. I'm going to add a little spiderweb strand going from the top down to the left. And after I've done that on all of them, I'm going to do another one down to the right. And after I've got two, I'll add two more. One to the left, one to the right. There's my first layer. Now a little swag right in between to connect those webs. Also going to put a line right down the center of those. And a couple more strands going to the left and right of that center line. And already this is looking so cool, but just wait until you see the end. It is fantastic string work. Second web done. Now I'm going to add little frillies down at the bottom. I really don't know what these are called, but they make them look like lace, kind of. And then I will add some little swags up here at the top. Now that layer is done, and you can see I have flipped the cake upside down. I wish I would have shown you how I do that. Connecting the upside down swags with the right side up swags to make kind of a circle shape, or oval in this case. And after I've done that all around the cake, I'm going to do a second row. I'm also going to pipe two more rows of those swags hanging down. And I'll have you know, royal icing dries hard, so when I flip the cake right side up, these strands will stay in their place. Let's add one more layer of strings here. And one more on top of that. Oops, that one broke. I'm just trying to fix it up here. Did it! Finishing the rest of those all the way around. Oh, so pretty! Flip it right side up again. You can see those strings are still poking up. I pre-piped this little spider. I'm gonna stick it on the cake and pipe some legs. And after I have those legs piped and they're dried a little bit, I will paint them silver as well. So we have little silver spiders hanging on these little purple webs. Did I mention I love this cake? I also made a fondant headstone. And again with black royal icing. I'm adding some grass-like substance. I'm not sure if you can call it grass because it's kind of pokey in all sorts of directions. Do you know what drives me nuts though? That red dot that's shining off the cake. I think it's from the camera. Do you find it distracting too? Oh man, I do. After I finish those royal icing strips all around the bottom, I'm going to add some little silver roses. I'm sorry the footage is a little bit blurry. Like I said, this is an old video, but I still love it. First time I made it, I wasn't explaining anything about it. If you liked this cake, you will love my Nightmare Before Christmas cake, so check it out as well. I will have the link available for you. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye!